So we had a few problems yesterday with the new mower. It's fully assembled, as you can see. We gave it a run. Mower's only kind of half done. Grass isn't particularly long. Fully assembled, no worries. We did it on a charge overnight. It's flicker rate, but that's 100%. So we're just going to turn it off at the wall here and then unplug. Just move that out of the way. What's the time? Almost 10:15. Switch her on. 100% there. So, as I said, 10:15. We're 100%. We'll take off and then get back to you, see how the mowing went. Actually, so straight away we've got a fault. I haven't even made it past the garage door. 30 seconds later, we've got a fault. It said 0, even though, as you saw a second ago. So we're just going to put it back. Kind of a bit disappointed because it's brand spanking new and hasn't even been used once. Let me turn it off. Turn it on again.